Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Nursing Corner Ideas and Tips. I hope all you are fine and today's topic is very special, that is very useful for healthcare workers, and it is needle stick injury and its management. Let's go through it. First, what is needle stick injury? What is the meaning of needle stick injury? Needle stick injuries are wounds caused by needles that accidentally puncture the skin. As a result of NSI, he or she have been exposed to bloodborne pathogens, and also using and disposing of a needle and a sharps are most potentially dangerous procedure faced by the healthcare personnels. These injuries are present a major risk for infection with hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV infections. And next is NSI occurs at any time when people in use or disassemble the syringe or disposal of needles during disposal of needles. And let's go to the management of needle stick injury. First one is wash the injured area with soap and water. Second one is report the incident immediately to your supervisor, infection control nurse, or to the designated doctors at your hospital. Third one is make it is an incident and to keep incident report. Fourth one is to identify the source and find out the hepatitis B and hepatitis C and HIV status of the patient. Check the titer value of the healthcare personnels. And sixth one is receive the appropriate treatment within 24 hours as per the physician's order. And next, if the source is infected with the HIV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C, you have to take post exposure prophylaxis treatment as per the doctor's order. And last one is regular follow up as per the physician's order. Follow up is very essential to complete the treatment. And next is what to do immediately if you stuck a needle. First one is encourage bleeding by applying gentle pressure and allow the blood to flow. Second point is do wash with the soap and water immediately. Next, there are 2 points don't to do. That is, first one is scrub the affected area. Second one is suck the area to remove the blood. Now it is the time to wind up my presentation. I think you got some ideas about needle stick injury and its management. And have a nice day. Thank you all. If you like my video, like it, share and subscribe. Once more, thank you.